Okay, you guys, we are back with another review. This place is called Palm Beach Hot Chicken. So we getting ready to go in here and see what it's about. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, this is their menu. Yes, indeed. They also got desserts and stuff like that. We got drinks, all that stuff like that. See, they back there cooking it. Let me show y'all. They got it back there going on. Yes. That's the owner right there, y'all. He's such a nice person. And this is yep, there we go. Got that for y'all, see? Y'all see them prices. West Palm Beach and Australian Ave.
That skin is soft and you can chew it up.
What skin?
The skin on the chicken. Yeah, this messing with Broadway. I ain't even gonna lie to you. They messing with Broadway.
Keep on asking the same question over again.
If we got some here, yeah, then I'm gonna give you some.